Welcome back to Rolling Legends, at the home of horsepower, heritage, and heart-pounding performance. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest automotive statements of 2025 at the all-new Lamborghini Temerario. If you thought Lamborghini was done redefining supercars after the review auto, think again. The Temerario is not just the next chapter, it's an entirely new language in the book of raging bulls. At first glance, the design is unmistakably Lamborghini, aggressive, angular, and full of attitude. But this time, it's sharper, lower, and even more aerodynamic than anything Sant'Agata has built before, with Y-shaped DRLs inspired by fighter jets, active aero surfaces that adapt in real time, and a roofline that practically slices the air. The Temerario is a machine sculpted by speed. Lamborghini calls it their most aerodynamically efficient car yet, and that shows. Now under the hood, or should we say, behind the seats, things get even more interesting. The Temerario ditches the traditional V12 Thunder in favor of a hybrid-assisted V8. Before the purists panic, listen to this. It's a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged monster, paired with 3 electric motors, pushing out a combined 900 horsepower. Yes, say 900, that's more than the Aventador, more than the Huracan inverted exclamation mark N, and delivered with instantaneous torque thanks to the electric boost. The result, 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds. Top speed, over 217 miles per hour. And it's not just brute force, this car is smart. With Lamborghini's new LDVA 2.0 dynamic system, the Temerario constantly adapts its suspension, torque vectoring, and aero to match every curve, every throttle input, every heartbeat of the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit worthy of a spaceship. The digital